Everybody sucks at design, right? That's part of the major
Yeah.
problem of software development in the first place. You and I talked about this earlier this week. Do good programmers cover up bad design? And I think the answer is largely yes. So if we already assume that people will suck at design and design will plague either custom development or standard software, right? If we're going to use Microsoft's tools or even design our Salesforce environment, like that's always going to be a struggle. Does
hmm
this end up in a place where people try vibe coding for a little bit and then they go back to Salesforce? Because it's like, man, we got ourselves in a lot of trouble there.
I think some will and some won't. I think that the companies that realize we still need experienced people, we still need talent, and we still need to have the time to think about design and design it thoroughly and design it well, they can use vibe coding to produce something with less effort. But if you just think it's a magic wand, then no, you're gonna get slop and you're gonna have to spend more money than if you just kept using Salesforce.
I think it was our friend Jensen Wong who said that Salesforce and whatnot will become sort of a system of record or an ontology almost. Does that make sense to you?
Well, I mean, it kind of does, right? Because they've built these applications and there's specific features that have a specific set of concepts, set of ideas, sort of things that people are familiar with. If you feed that image to an LLM or to a large model, it's going to make assumptions that are probably half wrong at best, right? And then it's going to derive features and designs that are already starting from a point of being half wrong. So if it gets half the designs right, it's only a quarter correct at that point.